Dad, I've been thinking a lot lately about how people seem to be so biased and unwilling to see things from different perspectives. It's like they're stuck in their own beliefs and refuse to consider other viewpoints.
I understand what you're saying, son. It can be frustrating to see people holding onto their biases without considering the facts or other perspectives. But it's essential to remember that people are complex, and their beliefs are often shaped by their experiences, upbringing, and the environment they live in.
That's true, Dad. But sometimes it feels like people are so quick to judge others, based on their religion, nationality, or political beliefs, without even trying to understand them. It's like they've already made up their minds.
You're right, son. It's unfortunate that this happens, but it's a part of human nature. People often find comfort in belonging to a particular group or identity, and that can lead to bias. But it's crucial to teach yourself to think critically and be open to different ideas.
But why is it so hard for people to be just and impartial, Dad? Shouldn't honesty and fairness be fundamental values?
They should be, son, and they are for many people. However, biases can cloud our judgment, and emotions can influence our decisions. It's essential to constantly self-reflect and strive to be fair and just, even when it's challenging.
I get that, Dad. But it's also disheartening to see how quickly people change their views when someone they admired is so. It's like they're blindly following, rather than thinking for themselves.
That's a valid concern, son. It's called groupthink, and it can be harmful. It's important to encourage independent thinking and not follow blindly. People should be willing to question their leaders and hold them accountable.
But how do I navigate this, Dad? How can I stay true to honesty and justice, when it seems like the world is filled with bias and blind loyalty?
It's not easy, son, but it starts with you. Be the change you want to see. Always question your beliefs. Seek information from diverse sources, and be open to different viewpoints. Encourage critical thinking in yourself and others.
That makes sense, Dad. So, even if others around me are biased or blindly following, I should stick to my principles?
Absolutely, son. Your integrity and values matter. Sometimes, it takes one person to inspire change in others. By being just, fair, and honest, you can influence those around you positively.
Thanks, Dad. I'll do my best to stay true to these values, even if it feels like the world isn't always following them.
That's my boy. Remember, it's a lifelong journey, and you'll face challenges along the way. But by staying true to your principles, you can make a difference in the world and inspire others to do the same.
I will, Dad. Thanks for always guiding me in the right direction, and teaching me the importance of honesty and justice.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.